In this video, we will talk about how to use ChatGPT to build an online business from scratch. Starting an online business can seem overwhelming, but AI tools like ChatGPT can simplify the process. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can help you brainstorm ideas, create content, and even scale your business. This video will explain step by step how you can use ChatGPT to launch and grow a successful online business. Why use ChatGPT for your online business? ChatGPT provides several advantages that make it an essential tool for building an online business. First, it increases efficiency by generating ideas and content quickly, saving you valuable time. Additionally, it is highly versatile, assisting with a wide range of tasks, from market research to customer service. Finally, it is cost-effective, reducing the need to hire large teams or outsource various aspects of your business. Whether you're new to entrepreneurship or optimizing an existing business, ChatGPT can play a pivotal role in your success. Step 1. Brainstorming business ideas. The first and most important step in starting an online business is coming up with the right idea, and ChatGPT is a great tool to make this easier. It can suggest a wide range of business ideas that align with your interests, skills, and current market trends. For example, if you're passionate about health and fitness, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas specific to this niche. It might suggest starting an online store that sells eco-friendly workout gear, creating a blog focused on offering detailed meal plans and exercise routines, or developing a subscription service for healthy snacks delivered to customers monthly. ChatGPT doesn't just provide ideas, it also helps you explore their potential by offering insights into their feasibility. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to evaluate the market demand for eco-friendly fitness gear or help you identify the unique selling points, USPs, of your idea compared to competitors. Additionally, it can guide you on how to approach these ideas practically, such as brainstorming product features, target audiences, or even pricing strategies. If you're unsure about your direction, ChatGPT can also refine broad ideas into more specific ones. For example, instead of just starting a fitness blog, it could suggest targeting a niche like post-pregnancy fitness tips or sustainable workout gear for beginners. This level of detail not only ensures your business idea is actionable, but also helps you stand out in a competitive market. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can confidently move from brainstorming to planning with clarity and focus. Step 2. Conducting market research. Market research is an essential step in building a successful online business. It helps you understand your potential customers and identify gaps in the market where your business can thrive. ChatGPT is a valuable tool that simplifies this process by providing insights about your audience and competitors. For example, if you're planning to sell eco-friendly fitness gear, ChatGPT can help you define your target audience. It might describe groups like fitness enthusiasts who care about sustainability, young professionals looking for durable and stylish workout gear, and parents seeking safe, eco-friendly options for their families. These details help you tailor your products and marketing strategies to meet the specific needs of these groups. In addition to understanding your audience, ChatGPT can assist in analyzing your competitors. By asking ChatGPT for a list of popular online stores in the eco-friendly fitness niche, you can identify what they offer, their strengths, and where they might fall short. For instance, some competitors might focus on yoga mats made from recycled materials, while others specialize in eco-friendly apparel. ChatGPT can help you find opportunities to differentiate your business, such as offering a unique product line or combining multiple features into one solution. ChatGPT can also provide guidance on trends and market demands, helping you decide whether your idea has growth potential. For instance, it could inform you about rising consumer interest in sustainability or recommend pricing strategies based on what competitors charge. By combining these insights, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions that give your business a competitive edge. With ChatGPT's support, market research becomes a manageable and highly effective step toward creating a business that meets customer needs and stands out in your niche. Step 3. Creating your brand. A strong brand identity sets your business apart in the crowded online marketplace. ChatGPT can help you create essential branding elements like a name, slogan, and visual identity ideas. For example, you can ask ChatGPT for name suggestions for your eco-friendly fitness store, and it might propose options such as Green Gains, Sustainable Strength, or EcoFit Pro. Once you've chosen a name, ChatGPT can craft a catchy slogan like "Building a Stronger You Sustainably." It can also assist in generating ideas for your brand's color palette, fonts, and logo concepts, ensuring your business has a cohesive and appealing identity. Step 4. Building your online presence. An online business needs a strong digital presence, starting with a website and extending to social media. ChatGPT can help you write engaging and professional website copy, such as an About Us page. For example, it might generate a description like, "Welcome to Green Gains. We believe fitness and sustainability go hand in hand. Our mission is to provide eco-friendly fitness gear that supports your health and the planet." On social media, ChatGPT can create engaging posts and captions tailored to your brand, such as promoting eco-friendly workout mats with captions like "Sweat sustainably." Our eco-friendly workout mats are here to support your fitness journey and the planet. Green Gains. These efforts help establish and grow your online presence effectively. Step 5. Creating products or services. Your products or services are the foundation of your business, and ChatGPT can help streamline their creation. If you're selling digital products, such as an ebook or a workout planner, ChatGPT can suggest ideas and help you structure the content. For instance, it might propose creating an ebook on home workouts or a printable meal prep planner for fitness enthusiasts. It can also assist in crafting compelling product descriptions and designing packaging ideas for physical products. By leveraging ChatGPT's creative capabilities, you can ensure your offerings stand out and resonate with your target audience. Step 6. Marketing your business. Marketing is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. ChatGPT can assist with various marketing tasks, from creating email campaigns to writing blog content. For example, it can draft a welcome email for new subscribers, such as, "Hi name, welcome to Green Gains. We're thrilled to have you on this journey to sustainable fitness. Stay tuned for eco-friendly tips, product launches, and exclusive discounts." Additionally, ChatGPT can generate blog post outlines and social media ads tailored to your audience, ensuring your marketing efforts are both engaging and effective. With these tools, you can reach more customers and build lasting relationships. Step 7. Scaling your business. As your business grows, scaling becomes a priority, and ChatGPT can support this process. For instance, it can help you automate customer service by generating responses to common queries about shipping times or product features. You could ask ChatGPT to draft a response like, "Our standard shipping time is 3 to 5 business days." You'll receive a tracking number as soon as your order ships. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you identify new opportunities, such as expanding your product line. If you sell eco-friendly fitness gear, you might ask ChatGPT for complementary product ideas, and it could suggest reusable water bottles, sustainable workout clothing, or eco-friendly gym bags. These insights can help you scale effectively and sustainably. Building an online business from scratch is challenging but rewarding. ChatGPT simplifies every step of the process, from brainstorming and branding to marketing and scaling. By leveraging this powerful AI tool, you can focus on delivering value to your customers and growing your business efficiently. Start today and see how ChatGPT can help turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.